What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, Shytastic. And yes, you just saw me drop my bike. A lot has happened since the last video. I just had my 1-year bike anniversary, and I've upgraded from Miss Pearly, my Honda Rebel 250, to a Yamaha Venture 1200, otherwise known as Cowboy Bob. Why Cowboy Bob, you ask? Because why the hell not?
I can't get my helmet off.
The moment you realize everyone is running over to help you.
I couldn't get my helmet off to get up. My GoPro.
After a slight GoPro scare, I did what any biker does. I just got back on my bike and I rode. Was I a little shaken? Yeah. This is the first time I've fallen in front of a whole bunch of people. But it's a big bike and I gotta get used to it. And there you have it, YouTube. The moral of the story is you fall, you drop your bike, you roll, you hit the ground. God willing, if you can get up, you get back up and you ride. Because I'm telling you, the freedom you have on a bike, there's just nothing like it. So don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, hit the notifications. I promise every Friday there will be a new video about me, Cowboy Bob, Miss Pearly, and any other bike stuff we can get into.